Hey guys, welcome back to Control Room. This is Marston. So quick video, I want to show you how to save a screenshot, a screen grab, or a still in Davinci Resolve. So let's do that. Now here on the timeline I have some footage which I downloaded from Pexels as usual. I'll leave a link in the description. So I want maybe to grab a still from maybe right here. All right. So this is the one. Make sure that you put your playhead on the current frame that you want to export, and come here where it says File, and go to Export. And at the bottom it says Current Frame as Still. Just click on that. Now find a location. I'm just going to give it a name. Let me just call it Model. Now there are different options that you have here. You can save it as a PNG, BPN, bitmap, DPX file, TIFF file. You can do that, but I'm just going to leave it as a JPEG, and I'm just going to click export. And that is how you grab a screenshot in Davinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subs. I'll see you in the next video.